further ado, it is time to hit the rift and find out which team will advance to the Summer Playoff Finals. Red buff connects, as does the Undertow. Amazing in size, turn back in. First blood may be secured by Origen, and it will. Combo in 5, combo in 5. Don't come to me, we can dash already. I can win. Yes! And in 35 minutes, explosively dismantle H2K. Amazing gets in a knockup. That's a 4-man after the tunnel. Niels is in trouble. He's low, but he's hopping backwards. He's kiting. He's surviving.
Engage coming in.
Peel and fight. Niels is taunted. The shockwave is on Niels. He gets knocked up as well as the wild growth, but Peke was able to solo Hjarnet. Origen go 2-0 in their first semi-final of the Summer Splits.
Good luck, Yoma.
My ma?
Yoma.
Yoma. Yoma canon.
Oh, lol.
LMO, guys. Lol.
FMO. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody.
Come on and dance.
I wanna feel the heat with somebody.
That does count. Kill credit goes to amazing Cocoon into knockup.
Go, Elisa. Elisa Rumble.
Connection.
Kill it.
H2K will be pushing us to game number 4. One last chance for H2K. Ryu says, peace out, bro. Do not want. Glacial Fisher comes down from Miffy as all of H2K have started to group up. Origen, they were going to Stockholm. Now they're going to Stockholm in the finals.